All right, let's get right into this. You can ignore this and scroll through this at your own risk, but I have shown many women how to restore their hair and their life back with these, explaining to them those simple steps, mistakes that you are making that's keeping you from restoring your hair back. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. I am Lee Hill, your hair coach today, and let's go ahead and talk about these things. Number one, avoiding. That's the number one mistake, avoiding. And how do we avoid? Maybe we're wearing a lot of head wraps, right? We're wearing hair weaves. We're avoiding with hair wigs, bonnets. A lot of us, may not be working. We're at home moms walking around with bonnets and different things. Like I said, head wraps on our head. And these things can cost you, and also uneducated hairstylists. So you may have that person that is great. She can do the latest trending thing, the hairstyle, and because she is uneducated and understanding that the products that she is using is destroying your hair, and you the same, this is a part of avoidance, right? This is a part of avoidance because then you put the blame on the person that did your hair. So now when you start experiencing hair loss, breakage and different things, you can say, well, I went to this hairstylist and she destroyed my hair, or I was wrapping my hair up. I always kept it in a protected hairstyle, which is, of course, head wraps and weaves and different things like that. So avoiding your hair is one of the reasons why those are big mistakes that you can make. Number two, purchasing products that can be harmful to your body, right? Or your hair, your scalp. Just because they're doing infomercials, or you have a bunch of people or friends that you may know that is using this product, and she said it grows her hair, and you go out and get that product, it may be do something different. Remember, we all have our own DNA, right? So there are things that our body will reject. So that's number two of the mistakes that you can make when it comes to regrowing your hair. And number three, what's trending? Everybody's doing it, right? So we just talked about products. So everybody may be doing this simple thing, and I grew my hair back. I think I saw an infomercial for one of those millionaire people that is growing her hair is super long and so on and so forth. However, they're not as transparent to explain to you the different steps that they had to do to be able to accomplish and get that hair growth the way they have, right? And then also that was specific for them. So it may work for a certain amount of people, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's working for you. And just because it's trending and everybody is talking about the results, and you look at the numbers and everybody's buying this and they're saying those different things, it could be harmful to you. All right. So those are the three things that mistakes that you are making in order to restore your hair, and you're not going to restore your hair like that, because again, number three, you got to make sure that the product that is being used, or what's trending, or it's this new diet that they're trying, right? It don't necessarily have to be a product. The diet that they're trying, that may not be for you, okay? And that's why it's important to get educated on restoring your hair, finding out your diagnosis, your getting your resources, your tools to restore your hair, okay? All right, so those three things, those three mistakes is, again, avoiding hair products that can be harmful, and what is trending. Everything that glitter is not gold. And remember, you can make a short-term decision today that will affect you in the long run. And a lot of you are like, well, I'm young, or my hair normally grows back. I cut my hair off, it grows back fast. But at certain times, something may happen in your life that it will not grow back fast, right? It doesn't do that turnaround. That's when you get scared or panic. Or what are you, one of those people that say, hey, it's already gone, I'll just keep putting my wigs and weaves. Everybody is wearing it. That's what's trending. And then you deal with years later, you're trying to get into a relationship, a marriage. You got to explain to that person why you're bald, right? Or you may get older. It's like having a dragon tattoo across your chest. When you get old, it don't look so great. All right. So if you enjoy this information, go ahead and hit the like button, share, and follow. If you're a mommy that's maneuvering through postpartum hair loss, definitely follow. We have no cost information just for you that'll help you maneuver through your postpartum hair loss, as well as find out if it's something else underlining. All right. See you ladies next video. Bye.